Okay, so we're gonna try and knock out running the new brake line. Gotta run a brake line from right here. This one is fucked up. Well, I bent it. Yeah, it's this one. Oh, cool. It's the one that goes right there in the bottom. Of course, it's a pain in my ass like that. So yeah, we got run from there, underneath the car, and then to the back. I'm gonna have there's like a splitter. I'm probably gonna try and put it right here, like right in the middle area, and then it'll split off to both sides. But yeah, so let's try and do this. Then I'm gonna freaking clean up first, since all the wind is blowing leaves and shit in the garage. So I'm gonna try and clean it up a little bit here. So let's get it cleaned up and then start on the brakes. Alright, for those that I guess don't know how to do this, this is a double bubble flare. And what you end up doing is you put this guy on there. So this is like 1/4 inch, so it's this hole. You tighten this down. But before you do that, you run the line through and you set this thing up against the side of it. If I can get my hands to work with me here. So you have the pipe running, or the tubing or whatever you want to call it, running through, and that thickness right there is how much of the tubing you want sticking out. Then you put this in the end of the tube, then you put this guy over, and then you crank it down until it's flat, until it's sitting in there like so, you know, or reasonably, you know, pretty down. Then you back it off, and then take this out, and then you put this back on, and then you hit it again with just that tip, and that's how you do a double bubble flare. That's what most of the FIERO's fucking shit is. So, and that's what you end up with. So, but yeah, just a quick little rundown, I guess, on what the hell I just did. So, but all right, let's keep going here. Man, just my luck. See all those nice, beautiful threads? So it got stripped out when I was trying to put it in. I think it got fucked up from from when I took it out. I think I fucked it up when I first put it in, I guess. Luckily, I'm a hoarder, and I had a whole nother, I had like a whole nother freaking brake master, or whatever the fuck it is. So that worked out good. Just a pain in my ass. That's why I hate fucking brake lines so much. It's never that easy. But yeah. So at least now it's ran down underneath the car, and now we just got to pretty much route it underneath the car to the back. So let's continue. Alright, so it goes down to the top, comes down right there, and it's ran right to here, down, and along, all the way to the back. Now it's just sitting back there. Unfortunately, I do not have, because it goes from 1/4 inch line down to, I think it's like the 3/16 or something like that, this thinner stuff, and it's over here, the thing is, so I don't have enough brake line to really do it. So I think this is probably just gonna be, I don't know. We'll figure it out, I guess. Probably not gonna end it here, so keep going. Alright, so because I can't I need to get that other line. So because I can't really do that, I'm gonna just stop working on this. We're gonna go into the thing, and we're gonna clean up that intake a little bit more, and then see if we can go about cleaning up that throttle body a little bit. So yeah, let's get this thing back down on the ground. Alright, well, so that's kind of how it turned out. Pretty good. Just kind of shaved it off and shaved the bottom one off. So now, and that's pretty much what you'll see. I just put this one in. Well, I guess JB weld is kind of hard now. I use the JB welds basically like Loctite, I guess. Because you never want this shit to come out. Well, that's I could have probably done like the fucking permanent Loctite, I guess, but I don't know. I kind of like the JB Weld idea. I don't know. So, yeah. So, doing this while watching some SPP TV live. So, it's Wednesday. Probably one of the bigger channels I actually like to watch. Well, they're a smaller channel, but 15,000 subscribers, I believe they have. But they're good time to watch. So, but yeah. Let's keep going. Probably cut this one off now and smooth that one out as well. So let's get this done. Alright, well, here we are. All done. I think it looks sick. It'll look way better once it's painted. I'm probably gonna, I just may try cleaning this and then get that heater going, get it warm and toasty in here, and then we'll try laying down some paint on here. Probably stick this in front of the heater and try and get it warm. So, but yeah, this thing looks pretty sweet. So yeah, let's get this thing cleaned and prepped for paint. Well, we'll put primer on, so then we got to figure out what the color scheme still. But I think OD Green's winning right now as of this moment. Alright, that's fucking weird that this is self-etching primer, because I heard that that's what you're supposed to use when you're like painting raw metal. So yeah, that's what I'm using, but it's fucking like OD green, so that's kind of funny. I suppose it kind of matches the fucking cab, I guess, but it's like OD green, so it's kind of funny. I mean, so that's what it looked like, OD green. But yeah. Still contemplating on what the hell to paint it. I've thought about red, white, and blue. I've thought about black. I kind of want to do like a high gloss black if I do black. Kind of like that was, but that's not like crazy. I thought about doing the OD with a white star. I thought that could be kind of cool. Yeah, I mean, those are like kind of the ones I've thrown around. But yeah, only time will tell, I guess. But yeah, we'll see. I'll see if I put on a couple more coats of this, and then we'll kind of wrap up. So let's keep going. All right, so I put 3 coats on, I believe. Yeah, 3 coats. Yeah, so we'll just see how this thing turns out. Hopefully pretty good. So, And we'll just have to figure out the color scheme again. And we'll wrap her and paint her again. Getting excited. It's going to be sweet. Going to be sweet. But yeah, so this is pretty much kind of how she looks. Take that out. And this guy can come off. But yeah, looks like it doesn't look like I missed any spots. So yeah, that's how she looks. So yeah, probably gonna end it here. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.